we, the media, experience it ourselves, our stories will have that much more impact and that much more will go across to our readers.
People will not be able to act on what scientists tell them because the media is the conduit which takes science to the public. So it contributes to public understanding of science.
We can able to feel that we are in an alarming situation.
எதிர்காலத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பருவநிலை மாற்ற அகதிகள் அப்படிங்கறதே வந்துரும்.
The responsibility as well as the challenge lies really with vernacular media.
Increase in temperature, the crop duration might get reduced by 4 to 5 days.
ஒரு climate changeன்றது புதுசு கிடையாது.
Media person can play a greater role to inform the people. My view on climate change is basically that it is taking place gradually, and we have been impacted by it in various ways. And the tribal people with whom I am working in India and various states of other countries also. So in that sense, it is increasingly felt by us, and we have been seeing this impact in a very greater way nowadays. So that's my observation. So that is number one, and number two is that the changes in the rainy seasons, the changes of the weather, the temperature increasing, so that is being felt by us, especially the ground people who are living at the grassroots, the tribal people, the agriculturists, the pastoralists. They are facing a huge problem because of that, but they couldn't understand the problem. They always tell that it is basically the problem with the God and everything and things like this. So they don't understand that. So we need to tell them that this is basically because of this, and they need to be on board so that they can also be the partner, and they can also participate in a better way, and they can also be the part and parcel of the mitigation and adaptation. So I think the media is doing a great job nowadays, especially All India media also. They are taking the things in a greater level. So, and in the vernacular media, especially in West Bengal, what we have been saying that the vernacular media, especially the Anandabajar Potrika or the media like Aishamoy, they are doing a great job. They are always trying to say few things about the temperature increasing and the El Nino and or El Nina concept. So that is also important to increase the awareness level among the people. So media person can play a greater role to inform the people, to inform the government, the policy makers, to change the policy accordingly, and to popularize the new technologies so that people can adapt them to address the climate change problems. And so that is what is important. And second one, that these very people are very much important in that respect, that they can bridge the gap, like information gap could be breached between the information givers and the takers who are living at the grassroots, who are living far-flung areas, far from the cities. So they can play a good role over there. And the third one, that these very media persons, I think they are the pivotal in that respect, that they can put the pressure on the government so that the policy could be changed, and they can do the great job in informing the people so that the people could be the part and parcel of the media mitigation strategies. I have been working with the tribal people for the last 12 years or so, and it's my understanding that the impact of the climate change will be felt miserably by the children and women, especially the women, because they are basically the household chores that have been doing by themselves only. So the household chores basically just collecting the fuels, collecting the waters, so if the water is not available readily, so they have to go to fetch the water far-flung areas. So the time and the labor they need to give to collect the water, that it will be great for them. So that is number one. And number two, the collection of fuel wood. So fuel wood, if it is not available readily in and around their places, so they have to again go to the far-flung areas to collect the fuel woods. And the scarcity of fuel woods also giving the problems to worm the foods. So without eating the worm foods, the tribal people would be feeling very bad in the sense they would be having waterborne diseases frequently. So that is very important to note. Suffered in that sense that they would be the part and parcel of their mothers to collect the food, especially the girl child, to collect the food from the forest, to collect the fuel woods. Then they have to collect the waters. So the problem is that they would not be able to go to the schools after doing this very work, the strenuous work. So that would be creating a problem for them to, and there will be no education for the children, especially the girl child. So the girl child would be remained in the dark, and they would be suffered a lot for the impact for the climate change.